Hey everyone, Will here from BubVisuals, and in my review of the Magic 468, I said that my only real complaint was the ugly, poor quality keycaps. Now, recently I have been using this keyboard as my daily driver because of my broken MacBook issue, and you can hear about that as well as the full review in the top right hand corner of this video now. However, I really like it. I even named it Frenchford. Today, however, we are going to be giving this keyboard a new set of keycaps, an upgrade which this otherwise fantastic keyboard thoroughly deserves. Let's get into it. Mission success, I have successfully removed all the gross gamery keycaps, so we are left with just the switches, we're left with just the O-rings, and the gross gamery keycaps are over there. I think my favourite key so far is this function key. It's pretty nice. So far, I've really been enjoying this keycap set. The colour scheme is an attractive blast from the past, as well as the included special keycaps being a nice touch. I'm using the Tai Hao keycap for my escape key, and this key for the function key. The keycaps are ABS and they are ISO size. I have O-rings on mine, and this is what they sound like. If you want a full review, then get subscribed for that, but for now, thank you for watching. Remember to like the video. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe. There's one thing left to say, and that is goodbye.